How to fix messages not sending on Facebook Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve message sending issues on Messenger. First, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and stable. After that, toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your network connection. From there, try sending the message again and see if it goes through this time. At this point, if it still fails, go to your home screen and long press on the Messenger icon. In the next step, tap the Info or I button to go to App Info. Following this, tap on Force Stop and confirm to completely close Messenger in the background. Once done, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that may be causing the issue. From here, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are set to Allow. At this stage, check if there is an update available for Messenger by going to the Play Store, searching for Messenger, and tapping Update if available. Finally, restart your device by long pressing the power button and tapping Restart. Once back on, open Messenger and try sending your message again, and it should now go through successfully. And that's it! If this Messenger guide helped you fix your message sending issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!